guys, today I'm going to be teaching you how to cure hiccups. First, you must drink 1 sip of water, and this is the second and last stage. It is really easy to cure hiccups. So you must hold your breath for at least 30 seconds, which might be longer. So just swam it all up until you can't hold it anymore. And once you can, after that you can drink the water or just pour it out. Just pour it out, and voila, you're done. No, it actually works. I do it all the time. Bye.